Welcome to Love Life. Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a man named Tao. Tao was well known in the village for his quick temper and arrogance. Despite his intelligence and talents, he had earned the disdain of his fellow villagers. One day, burdened by his solitude, Tao decided to seek the wisdom of a renowned guru, Master Jiro, who lived in the heart of a mystical bamboo grove. Tao's journey to the bamboo grove was arduous, a symbol of his determination to change. After days of traversing dense forests and climbing steep cliffs, he finally arrived at the bamboo grove. Here, he found Master Jiro, an old man with a flowing white beard and deep, contemplative eyes. "Master Jiro," Tao began, "I seek your guidance. I wish to gain the respect of my fellow villagers." Master Jiro nodded and gestured for Tao to sit. "Respect," he said, "is not something one can demand. It must be earned. To gain the respect of others, you must first learn to respect yourself." Point 1. Self-respect. Master Jiro shared a tale of a young bamboo shoot struggling to grow amidst a tangle of weeds. The bamboo shoot tried to emulate the straightness of the tall bamboo around it but failed. It grew twisted and deformed, ashamed of its appearance. "Like that bamboo shoot," Master Jiro said, "you must accept yourself as you are, flaws and all. Only when you embrace your true self can you begin to earn the respect of others." Tao meditated upon this wisdom and realized that his arrogance was a mask hiding his insecurities. He resolved to work on self-acceptance. Point 2. Humility. The next day, Master Jiro led Tao to a serene pond within the grove. They watched as a group of lotus flowers floated gracefully on the water, their petals untouched by the mud beneath. "Tao," Master Jiro said, "to gain respect, you must learn humility. Be like the lotus, which rises above the mud but never forgets its origins." Tao understood that he needed to let go of his arrogance and treat others with kindness and respect, regardless of their station in life. Point 3. Empathy. As Tao continued his journey with Master Jiro, they encountered a wounded bird in need of help. Tao hesitated, unsure if he should bother with such a small creature. Master Jiro knelt and gently tended to the bird's injuries. "To gain respect," he explained, "you must show compassion and empathy to all living beings, no matter how insignificant they may seem. Your actions define your character." Tao learned that true respect came from caring for others, regardless of their stature or circumstances. Point 4. Integrity. One evening, under a canopy of bamboo leaves, Master Jiro shared a story about a bamboo forest during a fierce storm. While the younger, more flexible bamboo trees bent and swayed with the wind, the older and rigid ones broke. "Tao," Master Jiro said, "to gain respect, you must have integrity. Like the flexible bamboo, adapt to life's challenges without compromising your principles." Tao realized that he needed to be steadfast in his values, even in the face of adversity, to earn the respect of others. Point 5. Patience. Months passed, and Tao continued to learn from Master Jiro. One day, as they observed a bamboo shoot slowly growing, Tao asked, "Master, when will I gain the respect of my fellow villagers?" Master Jiro smiled and said, "Respect is not a destination but a journey. It takes time. Just as the bamboo does not rush its growth, neither should you rush the process of earning respect." Tao understood that patience was the final lesson. He returned to his village, determined to embody the wisdom he had gained. Over time, Tao's transformation became evident to the villagers. He showed self-respect, humility, empathy, integrity, and patience in his actions. Slowly but surely, the villagers began to respect him in return. In the end, Tao realized that respect was not about demanding admiration but about being a person of character and virtue. Through his journey to the bamboo grove and the guidance of Master Jiro, he had not only gained the respect of others but, more importantly, he had earned self-respect and inner peace. And so, Tao's life became a living testament to the profound wisdom of the bamboo grove, where the journey to self-improvement led to the ultimate reward of respect from others and, most importantly, from himself.